Miracle Robloxian here with another tutorial, and in this Roblox tutorial, I will be showing you how to make a custom Roblox hat. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to open the develop, which is right here. The next thing you want to do is create a new place. Just choose base plate and leave everything. So just choose base plate and just hit create place. Now you guys hit create place and I'm gonna hit cancel because I already have a place in stock. So like I said, you hit create place, I will hit cancel. Alright. So then you're going to find your place, which should be named like something like this, something close to this, and then you're gonna click edit, which is next to the gear, and then it will be sending you to Roblox Studio. Now it looks like Roblox Studio has an update for me, so you guys just have to wait a little seconds because sadly OBS Studios does not support pauses. And if it did, that would have been awesome. So just give me a sec, guys. Oh yeah, if you also are upgrading, then just this tutorial will kind of be for Windows or something. So you guys are going to want to go to your HP Quick Start, which is found at the bottom left. And then when it says search programs, you're going to write paint. And then you're going to open that up. And then once this happens, you're going to want to go back to your browser and hit the Roblox sign. And it's configuring. Sadly, I forgot to start doing the open up. Sadly, I forgot to start opening the Roblox Studio thing before. Oh wow, that sounded weird. Alright, so it will disappear. That means it is working. So any second now, Roblox Studio will appear. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Alright, so once you do get into Roblox Studios, you're going to come out like this, like just pure base plate, nothing else in the distance except the moon, a beautiful moon. Alright, so you're not going to want to go to the moon, and yeah, so the first thing you want to do is unclick collisions, which will be found under terrain. So it will be highlighted like this, so just unclick it automatically, like first thing. And then you're going to want to go to view, and you're going to want to hit explore, properties, and toolbox. You guys can move them around, like you can put explorer here, properties there, but I'm just keeping it like this for now. And in toolbox, you're going to want to search up a hat that you want. Now for this, I'm going to be doing a Dominus, Dominus, I think that's how to spell it, right? Yes, I'll be using a Dominus Arius. Yeah, I'll be using a Dominus Arius, and that kind of sounds funny. And you guys pick out your hat because it will work with any of your hat. And if you notice in Explorer, actually wait, you have to go to Workspace, hit the blue arrow, and then you'll notice the hat name. It should say a brick or the hat icon. It should be named it. If it's named handle, then and if you like click it and it highlights the hat, that means it's it. So if it does say something like this and it's still highlighting this, then that's the hat. So the second thing you want to do is you want to go to mesh, then find texture ID, which is located under scale, and then you want to copy these last. No, I actually. You want to copy these last numbers. So left click and copy. Alright, okay, wow, that's hard. Go back to your browser, and then you're going to want to go to Paint now. Right? No, wait. You're going to want to go to Games, okay? You're going to want to go to Games. And then you're going to want to click on any game you want, you know. I'll just pick Jailbreak for this example. And you guys are going to go up to the URL and you're going to see numbers here. You're going to take those numbers away. So you're going to hit backspace and then paste it, which is left click, Ctrl V or left click and paste. Oh gosh. And then you're going to hit enter. Oh, did I type the number wrong? I think I might have. One sec, guys. Just some technical difficulties. Oh. So if that does pop up with your screen, because last time I did it and it was the same, but if it pops up like this, then you're gonna want to go to catalog. Find a random piece of clothing in the catalog, you know. I guess I'll go with the classic sword pack. Once again, with the numbers, take those out, paste it, and you should be taken to the this is the texture. Alright guys, this is the texture here. And I probably should have chosen something more simple. So guys, I'm just going to choose something more simple because the Dominus is pretty hard. So I'm just going to go with a visor here. And like I said, it could be named handle like this, but it's still a hat. So like I said, you go to mesh, then you go to texture ID, take that, and then you're gonna want to go into your browser again, and then this. And if the texture is too complicated for you, then once again just paste more easier, maybe like a visor. Alright, once you go here, you're gonna want to left click on the image and then hit save image as. Type in something that you'll remember. So I'm gonna name it visor. And then after that has downloaded, you're going to want to go into Paint. Now, when you're in Paint, you're going to want to go to the top left where there's a folder with an arrow going through, and it's going to open up your library. Now, you're going to go search up where your thing is. I know where mine is. And you're going to hit Open, and it's going to show up at the top left. If it didn't, that's fine. Alright, so guys, first thing you want to do is you want to go to the select, this box here, and then you'll have like this arrow. So you're going to select like this, the Roblox sign, and just take this and throw it into the abyss. Or you can delete it if you want. I'd rather just throw it in the abyss, and you guys can do whatever you want. Right now, I'm going to make it a lavender hat, because why not? I'm going to make the outside blue, and you can see that the texture will actually change because this is the whole like base. And then you're gonna want to go to text and you're gonna name the hat whatever you want. I'm just gonna put an R on it because why not? I'm gonna have a white R. I'm not trying to be racist here. And center that, enter it, and if you still have the box, that's fine. Then hit the close and then hit save. And then you're gonna want to go back into the. Actually, wait. I do this every single time. Go back to develop after you finish doing the visor. Go to decals. And then, see, I've done some other videos in the past, but they failed. Go to choose file. Scroll down and find your file. Mine is somewhere here. There it is. You're going to want to hit open. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it Lav Visor, because why not? And then hit upload. And if it says decal successfully created, then you successfully created it. If it says unsuccessfully created, you're going to want to hit the refresh and do the same process, choose file, do that. And if it does it again, you reload it again. Because once that happened to me and I had to reload it 8 times, but it did eventually do it. So, now the next thing you want to do is go to Toolbox and go to where Models is, click Models, and then scroll down to where it says My Decals. Your decal will show up here. So then you're going to click and hold, and you're going to drag it to your visor. Now, unclick the decal, and boom! Look at that, guys. It's my lavender visor right there. So guys, that is how to make a visor in Roblox. Sadly, there is no way to sell it. If there is a way, I'm going to make a video about that right this